YouTube vlog 9.
That's not even right. What up, guys? Welcome back to Mountain Creek vlog 9. I said it right the first time. Let's go.
So we're going to a mountain. It's actually snowing. Oh freaking heck.
He pranked it. It's raining right now.
Whoa.
Content! I don't know why I bring you on these trips. All you do is just bring me down. Like, I have you film me. I have just horrible clips. I get comments telling me that I should quit YouTube because you're the worst filmer. Like, it's not even my fault. It's literally just all you. And like, I don't understand. Like, what am I supposed to do here? I don't have anyone else to film me. You're terrible at snowboarding. You get mad at me when you fall for some reason. Don't speak to me. Like, what are you, 12?
Yes.
You having a little temper tantrum?
I do.
Get your together. Holy. Oh, you're filthy. Yeah, we're headed up to Mountain Creek. We actually got a bit of snow today.
Rain.
So we got some snow today. We got like an inch here, and then it rained on it. But at Mountain Creek, it's supposedly been cold all day, and they actually have already gotten a couple inches, and it's still snowing. I'll catch you guys when we're... What's up, guys? We just got to Creek. It's snowing. It's beautiful. It's dark.
I noticed a noticeable amount of views up climbing.
Yeah. Make sure you put a thumbs up if you like Sean. Snowing right now, super hyped. There's already a couple inches on the ground and it's getting heavier as we speak. So yeah, should be a fun day. Alright guys, so we just took a couple runs. So nice out. Bunch of snow is falling from the sky. It's crazy. The only problem is snow is really slow for some reason. I don't know if it's my wax job or the lack of good snow, but either way, it's a fun time. Sean just filmed the past couple clips, so they might be kind of meh, but it was actually a super
chill day on the mountain there.
Oh! Wow, you're cool. Thanks for visiting.
Found the love of my life. There, Maya, if you're out there,
look at that cat.
You're on blast.
Alright guys, we just got off the mountain. It was a fantastic day. It's still snowing right now. It was snowing the whole time we were up there. Enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like. Comment something interesting if you would. The comment to get the most upvotes or likes, what is it, likes?
It should be us.
Comment that gets the most likes will get pinned on this video, alright? So make them good. Anyway, and make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel.
Check out this fat drift Nick's gonna do, and now he can't edit it out because he has to do it now.
I can just cut that out.
I don't think so. Yeah! You guys can't tell, but Nick just like us around 12 times. It was wild. I'm actually a little disoriented. Thank you for all that you've done for us. It really means a lot to me. I know Nick might not show it sometimes, but he loves you guys, and I do too. Goodbye.
Stop. Say thanks for watching.